Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. So today I will explain how you can create your first Power Automate flow. Okay, basically we create a basic flow in this video. So whenever any item is created in our Excel, yeah, in our SharePoint list, yeah, Dataverse, yeah, any other your backend data source. Okay, so how we can receive the mail or teams message. Okay, so first we go with mail. Okay, if any item is created, if any row is added, okay, in your dataverse, your database, so how you can get the mail, okay, directly. For this we need to visit the Power Automate site, and here is the flow option, my flow, and here you need to click the my flow, and you need to click on the new flow, and here is automated cloud flow. Basically you need to create the automated cloud flow, and here you can select the I am choosing here the SharePoint list. Okay, so basically if my any item is created in my SharePoint list, automatically I have received the mail. Okay, so I'm doing the automate work here. If I'm create any entry in my list, automatically I have received the mail. Let me switch with the old designer. If you are comfortable with new designer, you can work with the new designer. I'm comfortable with old designer, so I'm switching it. Okay, now basically this is my list. If I'm create any invoice here, so automatically I have received the mail on my mail ID. Okay, so how I can create it? So you need to go here. This is SharePoint list. Okay, so what I need to search here in my flow, the SharePoint. You can search directly the SharePoint, and in the SharePoint I want when an item is created. Okay, so if any item is created, here you can able to view add new item. Okay, so this is add new item. You if you add details here, the automatically one row added here, or you can create using this thing. Okay, so if any item is created in my SharePoint list, then my receive the mail. So first we need to go with the process when an item is created. I'm select this section. Here you need to select your list name where you want to create any whenever any item created in my this list. Okay, so basically where is this list place? This list place in YouTube dial for IT SharePoint site. Okay, so let me click this. Here you can view this is the site, my SharePoint site, and in the SharePoint site the list name is IMS invoice manage. So here I need to select my site, the YouTube dial for IT. Okay, this is the my site, and here you need to choose the list name. List name is IMS invoice manage. So here you can search IMS invoice manage. This is the my list name. Okay, now what do you want if any item is created in the list? Okay, so automatically I have received the mail. So here you need to choose the new step. In the new step you need to choose send mail v2. Basically here is showing this send an email v2, so you can select this one. I want Office 365 Outlook option. Okay, so you can select this one, and let me explain one more thing. Here you can choose other option also, the send an email by a shared mailbox. You can delete an email, you can forward an email, you can flag an email, you can get email, also you can export email, you can move email according to your list. Okay, but I want send an email, so I'm go with the send an email. Where you want to send an email? Okay, so I want to send an email who is create the list I want to send email who is the create the item in the list. Okay, so basically it's automatically sent to them. So I want here the dynamic content, how you can able to view the dynamic content using the add dynamic content here. Select this one, and here I want the created by email. If any item is created by any user, here is automatically fetch the user email id. Okay, if you want to add someone, just you need to add, type the name here. Let me copy my mail id. Just you need to copy and paste your mail id if here is not any showing any suggestion. Okay, so let me select this one. Okay, and here you can choose also dynamic content also. Okay, you need to add your mail id like this. Okay, and here you can choose the dynamic content also. If you don't want add your mail id, you can remove it. Okay, for now I will remove it. Now subject line. So what do you want to create, add here subject line? So I'm adding the subject line according to my list. This is invoice manage, so I'm add here new invoice created, and I want show the invoice number. Okay, so basically I need to choose the invoice column. So invoice number, I'm choose here the invoice number column, and here in the list I want showing the created by user display name. So let me search here the created by display name. Okay, so I want here here is showing the created by xyz who is create the invoice. Here is new created invoice details by you. So here you can add the details also, invoice number, like, okay, you can add the amount also, you can add the other things like you can add status also, and here you can add the dynamic contents. For the dynamic content you need to select this one. Here you can search as per your coding. Okay, so I want to add here invoice number. Okay, I want to add here the amount. I want to add here the status also. So this is status is my choice column, so that's the reason I need to choose here the status value. Okay, so you need to choose here the status value. Now if I want to bold this one, so you need to select the full one and select the bold. Okay, once you select it, then you can save it. Okay, and here is option for cc. Okay, you can keep cc to anyone, like I want to search here the name like Pankaj, so here automatic suggested the name. Okay, from your Microsoft Office 365 users, I want to keep the cc like Munesh. So let me search here Munesh, and I can add here. Just I need to save. You can change the importance of the mail from here also. I'm save it. Once you save it, let me show you. Okay, so basically this is my flow, or how I can check this is a run or not. Okay, so let me select this one. Okay, so once you select, here is showing the all total 28 days run history. Okay, so now you can check the your run history. Here is no run till now. So let me add here any entry. Okay, basically I'm copy this one. Okay, or I'm add here this one. Okay, and so I'm change also invoice number. Now I'm added the invoice 2489 for EY company. Okay, So I have automatically received the mail on my mail ID, which I mentioned there. So let me wait for the same. It is time right now 2:46. Now here is showing the run history. Let me refresh the flow. I think it's taken 30 to 40 seconds. Now here is showing the my flow run successful. Okay, success. So now I can check also mail, and here is the mail. Okay, new invoice created. So here is showing hi Pankaj and the full name, and here is a new created invoice details by you. So you can check invoice number, amount, and status, which one we bought. Okay, and I'm already created the mail template, so you can check also. I have received the mail template which one I'm earlier created. Okay, so I'm created right now this one. So this is basic mail. Okay, you can create as a advanced like this mail template and this one mail template. Okay, so this is basic. So first go with basic. You can create this one mail template whenever you add any invoice in the list. Whenever you create any ticket in the list, then automatic receive the mail on your mail ID. Okay, you can add the multiple user in this, or you can add. Now how we can test your flow. Okay, so basically click on the edit button. Now let me switch the old user. Now I want to test my flow, so I'm already run it one time. Okay, so you can go and test, and here you can select the automatic because I'm already run it. So if you select this one, then save and test. Okay, if you test it, then here is your flow is run. Now here is showing the icon of the running. Here is a green check button, so it's successfully run. Here is showing your flow run successfully, and you will receive also the mail for the same. So this is my flow run, and I have received the mail. So using this option, you can check your flow. You can test your flow. Okay, so or you can edit it using the edit icon, and you can change your flow name from here also. So thank you so much. In this video we explain our first flow of the Power Automate and how it's work. Okay, basically, so we using here the SharePoint list and the Outlook Office 365 mail. So basically whenever we create any item in the list, we create any ticket in the list or Excel. Okay, so we receive the mail on our mail ID, so we create in this flow. So thank you so much in this video. If you need any help, please let me know.